MTN Group, formerly MCell, is a South Africa-based multinational mobile telecommunications company, operating in many African, European and Middle Eastern countries. Its head office is in Johannesburg. MTN Group's president and CEO is RS Dubengwa. The company sponsored the CAF Champions League football competition as well as APOEL FC, winners of the Cypriot First Division in 2009, 2011, 2013, 2014 and participants in the 2009 Euro 10 and 2011 Euro 12 UEFA Champions League. On March 18, 2010, it was announced that MTN signed a sponsorship deal with English football giants Manchester United FC. Coverage Mountain acquired Investcom, thereby expanding to 10 more countries, mainly under the Ariba and Spacetel brands. As of early 2007, MTN is active in Afghanistan, Benin, Botswana, Cameroon, Republic of Congo, Côte d'Ivoire, Cyprus, Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, Republic of Guinea, Iran, Liberia, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, Sudan, South Sudan, Swaziland, Syria, Uganda, Yemen, Zambia. Business Mountain's competition in South Africa includes Vodacom, Cell C, Virgin Mobile and Telkom Mobile. Talks with Bharti Airtel and Reliance Communications. In May 2008, it emerged that Bharti Airtel, an India-based telecommunications company, was exploring the possibility of buying MTN Group. The Financial Times reported that Bharti was considering offering $19 billion for a 51% stake in MTN, which would be the largest overseas acquisition ever by an Indian firm. Talks fell through after a few days and Bharti Airtel pulled out of the proposed deal on May 24. 2 days later, it was reported that another Indian telecommunications company, Reliance Communications, is in talks with MTN for a potential combination of their businesses. If realized, the estimated worth of the combined entity would have been $70 billion, with 116 million subscribers worldwide. On July 18, the two companies announced that they had mutually decided to end discussions regarding the merger. Acquisition of Verizon Business South Africa. In June 2008, MTN Group agreed to purchase Verizon Business South Africa, which was a provider of data services to corporate customers in South Africa and 4 other African countries. The acquisition was completed on February 28, 2009. MTN positioned themselves to provide DSL broadband services in Africa, particularly South Africa, through its partnership with leading South African ISP, AfriHost. International Carrier Services. On June 26, 2009, MTN Group participated in Belgacom International Carrier Services, a subsidiary of Belgacom, by merging it with its own subsidiary, MTN ICS. BICS will function as official international gateway for all international carrier services of Belgacom, Swisscom and MTN Group. These companies respectively hold 57.6%, 22.4% and 20.0% of the shares of the company. Sale of Nigerian stake. South African holding company Shandukar Group acquired a minority stake in MTN Group, a Euro-1 registered trademark S Nigeria business for $335 million in November 2012. Controversy. Iran. Mountain has been criticized for its activities in Iran's telecommunications sector. MTN has a 49% stake in government-controlled MTN Iranchal, the second-largest mobile phone operator in Iran, and 21% of MTN's subscriber base is from the country. In January 2012, the US-based advocacy group United Against Nuclear Iran launched a campaign publicly calling for MTN to scale back its operations in Iran and end its business in the country. UANI charges that MTN technology is enabling the Iranian government to track and locate cell phone users, which it says is a violation of human rights. In June 2012, Reuters and the BBC reported an allegation by Chris Kilawan, a former executive for the company in Iran, that MTN Group may have been complicit in securing American telecommunications technology from Sun Microsystems, Hewlett-Packard and Cisco Systems on behalf of Iranchal, in violation of trade sanctions against Iran. Oracle, which owns Sun Microsystems, said that it was investigating and denied involvement. saying that it complies with U.S. export laws. Hewlett-Packard issued a similar statement. MTN Group denied the allegations made against it, saying that it complied with American sanctions against Iran. Turkcell court case. In May 2013, Turkcell dropped its multi-billion-dollar U.S. lawsuit against MTN Group, citing a U.S. Supreme Court ruling that hurt its case. The operator filed a $4.2 billion lawsuit in Washington in 2012 alleging the company used bribery to win a mobile license in Iran that was first awarded to Turkcell. The court delayed the case in October 2012 pending a U.S. Supreme Court decision on the Alien Tort Statute, the U.S. human rights law on which Turkcell's suit is based. See also: Mobile telephony in Africa, references. External links, official website, 2007 Annual Report.